This video will cover the installation of a new thermostat into a 1990 Volvo 240 B230F. This can be completed over lunch. Before installing your new thermostat, test in boiling water to ensure that it opens as intended. Remove the coolant reservoir cap. Apply hose clamp pliers to the upper and lower radiator hoses. Unseat the thermostat by removing the two screws on the top and bottom of the housing. Remove the two brackets and housing. Remove the old thermostat. Clean the block and housing surfaces of any remaining gasket residue or debris. Inspect and compare your new thermostat with your old thermostat. Install the gasket onto your new thermostat. The gasket has a center channel into which the edge of the thermostat sits, so that the gasket encompasses the full circumference. The thermostat features a bleed hole, which needs to be mounted vertically so that it points towards the hood. Install the thermostat into the housing so that the exposed spring sits inside the engine block. Reseat the housing, reseat the two brackets, and tighten the two screws. Clean the surface of any remaining coolant, remove your hose clamps, refill your coolant reservoir, turn on your heater and put the fan to full blast, start your car and run to operating temperature to bleed the system of any air pockets, and top off with coolant as needed. Replace the coolant reservoir cap. After that, you're all done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.